Okay, as promised, I got Lorwyn Eclipse bundle as well. So I don't know anything about these. You get 9 14 card Lorwyn boosters. You get 1 art traditional foil kin binding. You get the box, and then you get 5 traditional foil and 5 regular art, full art Lorwyn basic lands, and you get a dice. Look at that. I wonder if ours is going to be pretty and green or if it's going to be ugly. Okay, let's break the seal and cry. Because there's no way we're getting 40 or however expensive this was. Oh, look, this thing is destroyed. Whatever this was. It's supposed to be art. Yeah, that's destroyed. Cool. There's no way we're getting our $65 back. But that's okay. We don't buy Magic because we think we're going to make money. We assume we're going to make money, but we keep all the cards and we never sell them, and we cry because we spend all of our money and time on Magic the Gathering. Sounds about right. Okay. So the dice is in fact, oh wow, this is actually really pretty. I like, these are, sea green is one of my favorite colors, and it's all sparkly. Looks like it's a little eye staring at you. Cool. It can go with the rest of the dice over there. Cool. Don't worry about the sapling nursery. It's for my little brother. He said if I pulled a sapling nursery, I have to give it to him. So it's sitting right there, in sight, in mind. So there's no collector pack in this bundle. Normally there's, well, maybe not. But I assumed that there was going to be a collector pack in here, which is the reason why I bought it. I should probably have looked at the back of the box before. I think these are the lands. Oh, we get that rare kin binding. Okay. Different art too, it looks like. I don't think that's the art. And then you get foils. Foil. Yeah, these are all the foils. And I bet you this is just the same pack of lands that are not foil. But these are great because you get lands. Oh, same thing. Just the exact same pack. Just non-foils. And then there's 2 whatever the hell the crap this is. Trash. Basically, these are trash too. But, you know, never have too many basic lands. We have the box sitting over here just to kind of help out. So, I want 1 shock lands and 1 Universes Beyond card because I found out you can pull the Universes Beyond cards in the play boosters, which is crazy. We pulled a Goblin Sharpshooter in the other one. So, and it was in the common slot, which was wild. It was like the last common. So we're going to take our time. We're not going to rush through the comment. We're not going to rush through the comments just in case something, you know, is in there and we aren't paying attention, because I tend to do that. I don't know what the best common and uncommon. That's actually really pretty art. Other elves you control get +1/+1. When this creature dies, return target elf card from your graveyard to your hand. I like this card. Okay, cool. This is a good one. So we'll put commons. Get out of my way. Commons, uncommons. We'll do rares, then mythics, and then we'll do foils and lands and tokens up top. She flips into the... Here, I'll just show you. My bad. She's a flip card. So she flips into the green side, which is like a Gaia's Cradle effect for white and green, which is really cool. Cool little girl. And we have a foil land and token. Make it easy. Dirty little mirror folk, or Kifkin, whatever that is. Give me power, give me strength, because Lord knows I need it. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Comments, okay. Nothing. Super spicy. Uncommons. Springleaf Drum. Okay, that's a good reprint. I like that. Oh. We did pull a mythic. That's a cool dragon. I like it. And that's actually a really pretty art. I don't even know what this card does, which I can read it. Create a token that's a copy of target creature you control, except it has haste. At the beginning of the end step, sacrifice this token. Flashback. 1 in a red. Behold 3 elementals. Oh, crap. 3 elementals? Oh, it is an elemental sorcery. But you have to show them 3 elementals to get that back. That is kind of crazy. I mean, if you need haste, if you need a token copy of something, I mean, I guess. But that just seems kind of ludicrous. Like, why you gotta see my hand, dog? Like, why you trying to get me out here like acting up and showing everyone I got? It's Magic the Gathering. I want to be secretive. I want to drop big spells without you knowing what's coming. That's okay. Okay, there was only 3 uncommons in this pack. So this is a Selfless Safe Right, Elf Warrior, Flash, Convoke. This is the one that gives everything hexproof and indestructible when it enters. Yeah. Bristlebane Outrider. This creature can't be blocked by creatures with power 2 or less. As long as another creature entered the battlefield under your control this turn, it gets +2/+0. This would be great to get in limited because this is a 4 mana 3/5 that will become a 5/5 when you play another creature. Like, that would be cool. Like, there's so many cool cards in this set. I'm opening this pack upside down because I can. Not because I grabbed it upside down, okay? Because I can. Because I'm allowed to. Again, this is a great removal for, like, limited formats. Sealed. Okay. Can we please get a Shockland? That's what I'm saying. See, this one has 4 uncommons in it. Oh, hey, we pulled the rare that I've been looking for in this set. Finally, in the last thing we opened. A High Perfect Morcant. Unfortunately, we don't have a foil and we don't have a fancy art for her, which makes me want to punt a baby. I'm not going to do that. No, I'm kidding. Don't hurt kids. Kids are great. It is really funny to watch the videos where they like get hurt and fall and stuff. You know, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. 1, oops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 8. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, we got a mythic. Another mythic. That's actually really good. 2 mythics for a bundle is huge. Unfortunately, I'm not looking for mythics. I'm looking for Shocklands, dog. I'm looking for Shocklands, dog. That's all I care about. That's what I was hoping to get. You know, I opened a collector box, a set booster, or play booster, and this bundle, and I've gotten 3 Shocklands. I think 1 was from the play and 2 were from the collectors. And then I got nothing but duplicates. So I'm very sad. Very sad. Magic, why you do this to me? I've never seen this card, and this card is absolutely gorgeous. Imagine like a foil full art frame of this thing, or like all art frame of the same. Like, she's just beautiful. When this creature enters, use fail to. Whenever one or more creatures you control enters, if they entered and were cast from a graveyard, create a token that's a copy of one of them. This ability only triggers once each turn. That's kind of cool. Oh, a mythic again? This is a really cool thing. This is the first time I've seen this. I've seen it in the spoilers. When it enters, you choose a creature type. Creatures get +2/+2, and whenever you cast a spell, the chosen type, you draw a card. That's kind of sick that we got a mythic and a rare in a pack. Maybe Wizards is up to something with these bundles. Maybe they just like kind of put better packs in them or something. But I still, if I pull a Shockland from this, something's up. Something's up. Like someone picked this bundle out and was like, "Here you go, baby girl. I got you something. I got you something spicy." And I have not seen this guy. Rise the Evermore. When Rise enters, another target creature you control gains persistence until the end of the turn. You can pay a white and tap him to remove any number of counters from target creature you control. Activate only as a sorcery. Oh, okay. Might be good and limited. Like, really good, actually, because you can, like, take some of those -1 counters off some of those creatures and have a bigger creature. Search your library for basic land card, put it in the battlefield, tapped, then shuffle. Then if you control 7 or more lands or tree folks, you create a 3/3/4 green folks you can with reach. Okay. Okay. Gibberish. Okay, so we still have 2 more packs. This is the second to last pack. If we pull a Shockland, this bundle is designed to be very good. Because I said so. All right. So we have Wretch. Okay. Liz Alna's Dignitary. Okay. Flame Braider. Okay. Boom. Okay. I don't know what you are, but we're just gonna dodge you. I'm not even gonna read your name because I don't know who Kyrol is. Attentive first here. He says tap 2 and tap creatures you control. Copy target, triggered ability you control. You may choose new targets for the copy. Activate it only once each turn. Oh, that's kind of cool. There is no token in this pack. There's a magic card right here. So that is very strange. That is very strange. Can someone tell me what that means before, you know? I guess we're going to find out. This pack might be messed up. This pack might be messed up. I'm very scared. I'm very scared and excited at the same time. Okay, going into the meat and potatoes. Okay, going into the meat and potatoes. Okay, going into the meat and potatoes. Okay, what is it? Got effing trolled. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and cry and hold. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Tell me how much I suck. Give me input. But nothing else. Have a good day. I'm gonna go cry. Bye.